I'm finally getting a freshie. Boy S-Craft Blends, putting me in there. It's been a while, guys. I've been looking rough, but I'm actually gonna probably keep the beard. See how it looks with the fresh cut. Just because my wife, she's starting to feel the beard. You feel me? You gotta do with the wife. Oh, that side don't look as good as this side. All right, we back. Guys, so this is a big moment right here. I'm gonna show you guys the new warehouse. We're excited about it. Check it out, guys. What? Guys, look at this place, man. So much more space. We'll be able to have so much more inventory. Look, it goes all the way back here. Okay, it's 2 floors. Let's go check out the offices. Hey, hold on.
It's like legit.
Look at all the office space.
I know, it's crazy.
What? So much more space. You gonna go upstairs?
I didn't want to go in the dark, it's scary.
Look, babe, so much more space to pack and ship. Watch these staircases, they're dumb steep. This is exciting. Bro, this is major. You be scared of work up here? Shoot, I need, the office space.
It's giving me like haunted vibes.
What? Like you look down, talk my ish to the guys. Whose office is this gonna be? This is a big office space.
I want this office.
What office space you want?
And it's perfect for me. Look at the counters. Look at the counter.
That's awesome.
Let me have this one.
Danny, Justine wants this one.
You don't want a pink desk.
This will probably be Danny's office, so I ain't gonna get no office.
What you need an office for? You don't even be working here.
You know what? Yo, this is a barber shop right here. This is a barber shop right here. What you mean? A chair right there and a chair right there. Put some nice lighting and all that good stuff. No, I'm just kidding.
How'd you find us?
Oh my gosh. This is nice to start off your day.
You can share with me. Look how big that desk is. You can have the back one, and I have this one here.
Okay, we'll share. Yeah, you're right. We'll share. Which side is mine?
Right here.
I get this little section. I'll take it, because you could put a chair there, put a chair here. But wouldn't your office be downstairs? Yeah, your office is gonna be downstairs. This'll be, Dre likes this color, so this probably be like Dre or something.
This is my desk right here.
Valentina, you like the new warehouse?
Look around.
It's so big. If we outgrow this, babe, that'd be insane. So cool, yo. So, babe, I gotta ask, like,
It was awesome.
so we're pulling out of the warehouse now.
Look, I can drive my whole car in here.
Babe, like, did you ever think when we started this company 4 years ago, in 4 years we'd have a warehouse like that? That we would need, not have, we would need a warehouse like that.
Wait, did you guys buy this?
That's our warehouse, baby. We're moving.
Like, we started from the house.
Yeah, from the houses. Not just our house, Perez's house.
Right, everybody has
Danny's
a little
house.
bit of 245 at their house.
Yeah, everybody's dining area was 245, picking and packing.
Or like even when I would go ship, I would have to go to Danny's house
Yeah,
to ship from his garage.
yeah. That wasn't that long ago. Every day you'd be at Danny's house shipping from his garage. It's crazy. It's insane. Man. Martina, why are you screaming?
It's so big.
You like it?
So I think I'm in trouble. I just left a meeting that we had with Tomb 45 at the warehouse, and I was only supposed to be like an hour. Ended up being 2.5. And Justine has had the kids in the studio, so I'm walking into the studio, and I'm probably gonna be in trouble. Hold on, she locked the doors. Oh, it's not so bad. You guys are doing great. What's up, babies?
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
What's up, beautiful? Hi, Mama.
Hey.
What's up? You guys don't know who Bria is. That's Dre's wife. That's Drizzy's wife. Getting her hair did. My wife does not want to talk to me.
I'm trying to like be in my zone, and your kid, you're not even your son. Your son's like this. It's your daughter. I knew she was going to be.
Valentina, I asked you before I dropped you off to behave and not to be a problem for your mom. You don't have anything to say for yourself?
She's cold. Look what I had to do.
Because you're cold?
Yes, and she puts it so cold.
Mommy's supposed to feel like you're not even here. Unbelievable. But so everybody's mad at me that I swapped out your clipper.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
Because they wanted to see your clipper come to life. So. Sorry guys, won't do it again.
And mine is way nicer.
Yeah, but the other one is the barber session theme, and we weren't gonna give yours away. We were gonna give Perez's away. All right, so we just sent the kids off. First day of school. Me and Justine, we about to party, about to celebrate, about to go to the beach. What we doing, babe?
Went to the warehouse.
Oh, never mind. We're going to the warehouse. But damn, first day of school. We dropped them off because they go to a small school where most of it is outdoors, right? A lot of the classes are outdoors. They'll have a small class anyways, so they gotta wear masks the whole class. So we'll see what their experience is like when we pick them up from school at like 2:30. 2 and then Elijah what? 3?
3. Yeah.
Damn, that's gonna be weird. And then we're gonna bring them to jujitsu. You know, some form of normalcy. It's not gonna be normal. Not anytime this year, I don't think. But yeah, other than that, we're going to the warehouse now. Getting our day started early. It's 7:30 in the morning. I ain't used to this. I got my bang on, and I gotta figure out how to make this vlog interesting. I guess. All right, so we just picked up Valentina from school. How was school, girl? How was it?
Great.
It was great.
Did you like your teacher?
Yeah.
She's nice.
Yeah, she was the one with the pink thing on it.
I know. How nice was she?
She was like super, uber, duper, duper, uber. I was the most quietest one there.
Why?
Because I was nervous.
Why?
Why you was nervous?
That it was more fun.
But why were you nervous? You were nervous to meet your new friends?
Yeah. I didn't
But-
make any friends except for one.
Well, because you were quiet.
Yeah.
I was too scared to.
But are you excited for tomorrow? For
Yeah.
school tomorrow?
And another day of class.
Were there a lot of people in I'm talking to you, girl. Girl, I'm talking to you. Were there a lot of people in your class?
How many would you say there were in your
I
class?
don't know. Because some of them were in a different room, but they were still in her class. Because she didn't have enough room for all desks. 'Cause they were
Oh.
Did you guys get to
Ma-
sit together, or you guys had to sit separate
like
desks?
separate.
Separate?
Like one right here, one right there, one right there, and one right there.
Mommy was scared that nobody was going to be in your class.
But
That
you
was
had a
just
lot of people in your class? Oh, okay.
all right. I'm glad you had a good day in school.
But how was it wearing your mask all day? Like, how was it?
It was good.
It was okay? When you went to garden, did you have to wear it?
Yeah.
You did? Outside too?
Outside.
Yeah, outside you don't have to wear it, right?
Yeah, on recess.
You don't? You got to take it off recess? But when you guys were gardening, you had to wear it?
Yeah.
I can't wait to see what Elijah says. You think Elijah had a good day? You didn't see him, right?
You didn't see him today, right?
No.
All
He
right.
walked me to the lunchroom.
Well, when Elijah comes out, we'll ask him how his day of school was.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.
Elijah, we need you to tell us about your day in school today.
It was awesome.
It was good?
Yeah, my teacher was so nice.
She was nice? A lot of friends?
Did you eat lunch? Did you eat lunch in the lunchroom or in your classroom?
In the classroom.
Valentina said she went to the lunchroom.
No,
Wait, because you did say you went to the lunchroom.
I did.
Oh, okay. Now you didn't. Elijah, so how was the mask? Wearing it all day?
It wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
I didn't have to take it off that much.
No? Like you could breathe and it was okay?
Mhm.
And you weren't like you didn't get any headaches or anything?
No.
When do you guys get to take mask breaks?
Like we got to take it off lunch,
Yeah, me too.
recess,
Me too.
but we had to stay 6 feet apart if we're gonna take it off.
Yeah.
We got to take it off in nature and like some no breaks. But the breaks for it was a long time because she put the table 6 feet apart.
Oh yeah.
That's good. So you're excited for school then, huh?
Yeah.
You're not going to be nervous anymore.
It's not too different.
All right, well, that's good. Haircut looking fresh, boy. So I just got home, guys, and yeah, I just kind of wanted to reflect on the warehouse thing, man, why it's such a big deal to me. Like, everything we've kind of done with Tune 45 has been to elevate the industry and just do some cool stuff, man. Do stuff that's going to help people, that's going to change lives, and just create things, create special things, and build something bigger than ourselves, right? Seeing the warehouse just kind of shows, man, like, something that you pour your passion into, that you work really hard for, you have a vision for, and it just shows, you know, we're getting so close to being able to do even greater things, even bigger things. I'm excited, man. I'm excited for the future. I'm excited for what we're going to produce and what we're going to be able to create, and the type of platform that we're going to build that I feel like a lot of people will benefit from and we'll be able to help people with. It's just an amazing feeling, you know what I mean? Anyways, done with all that soft stuff. I got an unboxing. So I'm excited about where we're at right now. We're dropping more content than ever, almost daily. The only reason why we're not dropping dailies because Fridays and Saturdays are like terrible times to upload videos. It's hit or miss. It's not always like that. I'm almost considering dropping on Fridays again. I'm just trying to figure out the whole YouTube algorithm thing. And it's such a weird algorithm. Like one day I feel like I'm figuring this thing out. You know, YouTube's finally showing me some love. And then the next day you upload something and it feels like YouTube didn't even send out notifications. You know what I mean? So it's a tough industry to be in. You know what I mean? Being an influencer in YouTube. YouTube itself is like a whole nother world. Anybody who's a YouTuber can relate and understands like this is a business. And once you're inside and you start getting some momentum, it's its own monster. They start giving you consultants. You have access to YouTube creator spaces. You get invited to events and stuff. It's pretty cool to be a part of, but it's hard to kind of figure out how to build, how to grow with YouTube. And it's changed so much. You see channels with 1 million subscribers getting a few thousand views, 10,000 views. It's just one of those things where you just gotta keep pushing, work hard with the things that you can't control, because you can't control it all. If getting more content out there is something I can control, that's something we're gonna push for, me and my team, and something we're gonna continue to try to grow. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, let's unbox this thing. Excuse the mess, but I have my Amazon package right here. So my bro, S-Craft Blends, put me onto this thing, okay? This is a speed booster for my camera so that I can attach a lens that wasn't designed for my camera, because I have the Canon M50. So this is the Viltrox speed booster, and it's gonna turn my lens into a monster. So check this out. There's the other box that's in here. Alright, I didn't realize I ordered some filters. Apparently I ordered some filters. I don't know if these are any good, but we're gonna check them out. Oh, it's because I got a kit. So I got a lens, something to clean the lens. What's this? Clean the inside of the camera, I think. And here she is. Sigma 18 to 35 millimeter f1.8 aperture, and with this thing, this bad boy is gonna turn into 1.2 aperture. My boy S-Craft put me on. Let's see what this bad boy looking like. Yep, and it comes in this nice pouch. It's a big lens. Man, that thing is huge. It's a big lens. Thing bigger than my face, and I got a big face. Y'all want to see what this picture look like? Y'all want to see it? All right, hold on. All right, guys, this is the new lens. That look kind of crispy. I'm gonna be shooting my YouTube tutorials with this lens. That's crazy. Look at that, blurry. You gotta hold this camera by the lens now. The content is about to be crazy. I guess that's it, guys. I wanted to show you guys what new tools I got, what the growth that the company has had. A lot of big things this week. New warehouse, new camera gear, a lot of content being done. I recorded 3 tutorials today alone. I got something else coming in the mail today, but it hasn't gotten here yet. So we're gonna end the vlog with this. I'm gonna take care of this lens like crazy, because this is insane. Yo, be on the lookout for new content with this lens. Love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm scared to touch the lens. I'm not doing that. I don't want to touch the lens.